Meghalaya government has decided today to reimburse 2% of the interest of all those farmers who have cleared their agricultural bank loans. This will stimulate the farmers to work harder, and this will also definitely increase productivity in the state, said Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Talking to media persons after the cabinet meeting, Sangma said this incentive will be made available to those farmers of the state who have used the Kisan credit cards. The Chief Minister also informed that today's cabinet has also taken the decision to increase the list of minerals in which cess will be levied on them. He said that cess will also be imposed on extraction of minerals beside those that will be listed by the state government. Sangma said the state government expects to earn an additional revenue of Rs 40 crores, which will be utilized for education, health and infrastructure development.
2%. This will of course apply to farmers who have taken the loan and have repaid the loan along with the interest, and it will be a reimbursement of 2% of the amount that comes out from the state government's side. This has been done as one of the steps towards supporting the farmers during the time of COVID. We understand that farmers and a lot of the public in general have faced a lot of challenges during this time of COVID, and therefore this is one of the subventions and some of the steps that we have taken.